Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a fall Bath & Body Works haul. It's going to be pretty much all candles. I went candle crazy. They had a really good sale going on online, and I had a coupon as well, so I definitely took advantage of it. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to see what goodies I picked up for the fall at Bath & Body Works, then just keep watching. Okay, so I believe in the last video I said that I was trying to hold off on the fall candles. So they had a really good sale going on. It was, I think it just ended by the way, but it was buy one, get one free. And it actually comes out to be a really good deal. The candles, I think, come out to be around like $12 or so. But obviously you have to buy, 2 candles to get that price. And I had a 30% coupon in my rewards app. And if you don't have the rewards app, I definitely 100% suggest getting it because, as I've said in previous videos, I don't get the coupons in the mail anymore. But every time I shop online, I get rewarded with a coupon, or if there's a coupon for rewards members, it shows up in your wallet on the rewards app. Now, the only downfall to the rewards system is that my store and many stores are not participating, so you cannot get rewards by shopping in store yet, but I do know that it's going to be coming to many stores, so I'm just, waiting for that. So I've honestly been purchasing more online. This coupon I had was 30% off plus free shipping, so it was great. So these candles were coming out to be like $10 a piece, and let's be honest, do you ever see candles maybe on Candle Day around Christmas time? But other than that, you don't see that price. So I definitely took full advantage of it, and I know that I'll probably be, purchasing more candles down the road. It's fall at Bath & Body Works. Well, it's fall there, but it's not fall here yet. Technically not until September 21st, but it's just overwhelming. They have so many scents. So I definitely went for a lot of like my, oldie but goodie ones, pumpkin pecan waffles, you guys already know, but I definitely decided to try out some new ones as well. So let's get into it. I have a ginormous box here, so I started to kind of unpack some of the candles. Now, the candles come in these when you order them online. I feel like I liked the ones that kind of pushed in before rather than these. They like to switch up the packaging. So this candle right here is Sweater Weather, and it came with no lid at all. And I do want to shout out their customer service because I had an issue with this candle and one more, and I told them, I was like, this did not come with a lid, and then another one had like a little bit of a crack in the wax. They're already shipping me replacements. Their customer service is really great. So it was just like weird. This just did not come with a lid, but it smells really nice. I know I've mentioned like last year or 2 years ago when they came out with the Sweater Weather body care line. It definitely does not smell like this. It smells different, but I'm starting to really like just the regular Sweater Weather scent, so I decided to go with the candle, just waiting for the replacement to come in. So I will technically have 2, but just didn't come with a lid. Really like it. So I'm going to read the notes. The notes are fresh sage, juniper berries, aromatic, I can never say that word, eucalyptus, and fresh woods. And then next, I got Apple Weather. Now, Apple Weather, I don't know if this is a new scent or not, but I mentioned in, I think, a few videos ago, they had the bulbs of Apple Weather back in July. So I decided to pick them up, and oh my goodness, that's like one of like the top maybe 3 most powerful bulbs I've ever experienced. It is serious, you guys. So I'm like, let me pick up the candle. I bet you it will not disappoint. I was going between this and Harvest Apple, so I'm like, you know what? Let's just go with this. I don't want to get like too many apple candles going on. It's like apple picking, you guys. It really is. It's similar to autumn, but it's definitely powerful. So the notes for this are fresh farm stand apples, lavender leaves, and cinnamon bark. This one will not disappoint. And I kind of like this like sage color they have for it. It's really pretty. I love the gold kind of lid. I'm assuming this is the lid that it would have kind of came with this, but I do kind of like the packaging that they have for the candles with the leaves and everything like that, and the gold lids. So that is Apple Weather. Definitely smells like September. And then next, I know I saw this one in store, so I'm like, you know what, maybe I will try this one out. So I saw it online. It's called Cuddle Weather. I think this is new. It's different, so I don't know how the throw is going to be on this, and if I, think that the throw isn't good enough, because sometimes with candles, I've explained many times with you guys that it'll smell amazing, but when I light it, I can't smell it unless I'm like over the candle, and that's not how it should be. You should smell it throughout your whole entire house, whatever room you're in. So this one, I'm just like, I have a feeling it might be that way, but you never know. But it does smell really nice. The notes for this are warm gingerbread tea, cinnamon shortbread, and a cozy blanket. I know people are saying online when I was reading the reviews that this is kind of like, what's the, now I'm like drawing a blank on what the candle is, but it's like a popular candle for, I think, the winter time. But they were saying like this was the fall version of it. So I will have to keep you guys posted on this one, but it does smell nice, and it's actually different. It's not like a sweet baked scent or anything like that. I have enough of those to share with you guys, so I decided to switch it up. And then next, oh my goodness, you guys, this is probably one of the most powerful candles I've experienced. It smells amazing. Caution, it's very sweet. Smells amazing. You will smell this like outside if you're burning it. Like I swear, it's just crazy. Blueberry maple pancakes, you guys. I think this is the 3rd year they've had this. Oh, it's just so great. Let me read the notes to you guys. The notes are wild blueberries, griddle fresh pancakes, and warm maple syrup. This will not disappoint. I swear to you, it will not. That's the packaging, and we've got like the rose gold lid. Really like that, by the way. So this one right here, I don't know if you guys can see, but it had like a crack in it right there. So I let them know, and they're gonna ship me out another one. So their customer service, I will say, their customer service is really great, you guys. And then let's keep going with the candles here. Yeah, I had 6. So, okay, so this one right here, I think I got this last year, and I'm like, you know what? I think I remember it being good in terms of spread. So it was pumpkin peanut brittle. That's it right there. And it smells really nice. They did have the banana, like I think it's either the banana bread or banana walnut muffin or something like that. And I do love those, but I do notice that the candle just doesn't have a good throw, so I just already know. Unfortunately, it doesn't. It's not like as powerful as like the blueberry maple pancakes. So I skipped that one, but this is pumpkin peanut brittle. It smells really nice. We've got the rose gold lid, which I really like. The notes for this are crunchy caramel brittle, salty peanuts, and toasted pumpkin seeds. So I decided to go with this one. It's a little bit different. And then next, every year I try this candle out, you guys, because I love it. It's like one of my favorites. For the bulb, I absolutely love it. But then when it comes to the candle, I just can never smell it. Like I have to be over it to smell it, and it disappoints me all the time. And I've had some people say, no, that's not the case for me. So I'm going to give it a try again. It's autumn. And autumn's a little similar to apple weather because you smell the apples in autumn. But this like smells really powerful. So maybe since this is a White Barn, it's not like a Bath and I mean, it doesn't say Bath and Body Works on it. Like this candle right here says Bath and Body Works. This is the White Barn. So maybe the fact that this is a White Barn, it might be more powerful. I'm not really sure. But yeah, I just love the way this smells, you guys. It is bright red gala apple, juicy fig, eucalyptus leaf, and fir balsam. So this one is really nice. It's really popular. They have it every single year. The bulb is really nice as well. I don't know if I got the bulb yet. I'm not really sure. But I would definitely recommend this one. So I'll have to keep you guys posted in my next video if the spread or the throw on this is good. And then the last 2 candles I have, this one I'm not sure. I might swap it out for another one. It's definitely new this year. It's called Sweet Cinnamon Plum. The notes for this are juicy plum, cinnamon apples, and ground clove buds. I was trying not to go for like pumpkin clove yet since it is August technically still, and some of the other like the harvest gathering, those I like to do like when it starts to get cold out or cool out, so kind of like early October and even November for that matter. So some of those I was kind of just trying to stay away from for now since it is August. So I saw this one and I'm like, you know what, let's try it out. The reviews seemed good for it, but I just don't know yet. I'm not sure. So I think I'm going to light it, see how I feel about it. And if not, you guys know you can swap these out. I didn't know for the longest time if I didn't like a candle, I couldn't return it because I lit it. You definitely can with your receipt. And actually, even without your receipt, you can. But, so yeah, if I don't care for this one, I'm going to swap it out. So yeah, I'll have to keep you guys posted. This was a new one this year. And then last but not least, you guys already know I got a pumpkin pecan waffles. I like pumpkin pecan waffles for like the end of August and then all of September. It's just so nice. Right now I have the bulbs plugged in throughout my house of pumpkin pecan waffles because they kind of like just put all the fall bulbs out in like the end of July, and I couldn't even get any more of the summer ones. So yeah, I got this candle. I think I have one left over from last year as well that I can burn. We've got the pumpkins on top, the rose gold lid. So I do like the packaging for this year. Now I'd say this one has like a mediocre throw, but I get so many compliments on it. So the notes for pumpkin pecan waffles are maple syrup, golden waffles, pumpkin spice, and brown sugar. So I really love this one. It's an oldie but goodie, but I do feel like every year they just keep coming out with more and more scents for the fall. So this used to be like my number one, and it's probably in the tie with a couple others, but it's still a really good one. I would definitely recommend this if you had to, well, it depends if you like sweet, but I would definitely recommend this one. Probably for like beginners because it's just such a nice scent. That's it for candles. And then yeah, so the candles, you guys, actually were coming out to $9.28 a piece with the buy one get one 50% off and my 30% coupon. Like, that's insane. So the last item that I got was this Sweater Weather hand sanitizer, kind of like lotion hand sanitizer, and it just really smells like this is just growing on me. I know it doesn't smell like the body care, but Sweater Weather is really growing on me, you guys. I actually really like it. So I decided to get this to kind of pop on my windowsill right above the sink in my kitchen, just so I have it for the fall. So 8 candles and this hand sanitizer, I cannot talk today, all came to $83.51. Like, that's a steal, you guys. I got the candles for $9 a piece, and then I got the hand sanitizer. Does it say what I got the hand sanitizer for? Oh, for $5.25. So, like, you can't beat that. It was free shipping. I don't even know. Usually it'll say, like, what you save, but I definitely saved a lot, you guys. So sometimes when you see that buy one, get one free, even though you have to buy the candle for $24 or $26.50, it really actually comes out to be a good deal. And if you have the coupon on top of it, it's also great. Now, I am noticing that I do have a coupon in my email right now. It's like $10 off a $40 purchase, but it's only good for a couple days. So maybe I have noticed, starting to do more of the coupons in the emails, but the problem is that it's only good for a couple days. Usually when you get them in the mail, they're good for a month. So now I'm like, oh, do I have to buy more? So I'm probably going to buy more bulbs because I think they're on sale. It's just a never-ending thing, but it's much expected because fall is my favorite time at Bath & Body Works. So that is it for this video. There will be many more to come for fall at Bath & Body Works. Let me know in the comments down below, have you shopped any of the fall scents and fragrances at Bath & Body Works yet? What's your favorite? Are you thinking of trying out any of these, or do you love any of these? I'd be curious to find out, but anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.